Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix lost candle on Wix. So if you have lost a candle design, feature or page on your Wix website, don't worry. In this guide I will walk you through the simplest steps to fix or restore it quickly. First, head over to your Wix editor, click on site button at the top and choose site history. Click on go to site history and here you'll have to basically browse through previous versions of your site and look for a version before the candle was lost. Now, restore that version if possible, which will bring back your lost content. If the candle was accidentally deleted, go to recycle bin in Wix editor and check if the candle design or element is listed there. If you find it, restore the element by clicking the restore button. Now, if you can't restore it, you might need to re-add the candle element manually. Go to add on the top left menu in the Wix editor. So I will navigate back to my Wix editing section, click on add element. Now, in the Wix element editor, you'll have to choose what kind of element that candle was and search for the candle design you want to add. Alternatively, you can also upload a custom image or GIF of a candle if you have one. Now, if you use a third-party app to add the candle feature, ensure that the app is still installed and connected. Go to App Market and search for the app you used. If the app is missing, you can reinstall it and reconfigure the candle feature. And that's it. You have successfully fixed or restored your candle feature on Wix. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.